Now the next asana is Navasana, which there are a lot of engagement of your core. So how to do that? So coming and sitting here, I'll show you from the sidewise so you could able to see. Now from here, if you see, my spine is straight. You need to bring your spine straight and holding both legs together with this hand in this, and your spine straight, and stay there. Once you are comfortable here, slightly you can lift your one leg up. Now once leg is comfortable, you can lift other leg up, or else we can do one by one. That is also fine. So I'll show you 5 count. Stay there for the one leg. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Slightly you can keep it down. Now 5 count with the other leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I took it 10 count, but that's fine. All right, now we'll do it from the both leg together. Stay there. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now from here, if you're comfortable, you can release your hand and stay there. 1 2 3 4, and try to make your hips is close to your leg. 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and slowly keep it down. So this is how, if you're not comfortable with releasing your hand, still you can keep your hand and release your leg and stay there for the 10 count. Wonderful asana. You engage a lot of core muscles, and that gives you a lot of benefit. Thank you.